Namaskara, dear friends. As we are celebrating the Doctors' Day today, organized by the Step One. On this occasion, I would like to recognize the presence of all the dignitaries who have been part of this function and all the participants. As I've been entire country, we have been facing the COVID-19 pandemic. In this backdrop, the Step One came forward how best to address this challenge. It is really something beyond my imagination. A organization, a group of volunteers, accomplished volunteers who came forward what needs to be done in this society. That kind of understanding itself is really appreciable. Something, how much we appreciate, it is less. Working as in a group, as an individual, it's a totally different, and being part of the government and working is a different ball game. But as in a group of volunteers, understanding the challenge, what needs to be done, is really I'm emphasizing again and again, because this was the need of the hour, and they've addressed that challenge by bringing the professionals to accomplish the professionals together with the technology and the professional. How difference can be made is been shown by the Step One. And Step One making such a huge difference, particularly in this pandemic, was a very challenging situation with not much of medical infrastructure, and nobody knows much about this disease, how to reach out the people, how to create awareness, even though people are, the facility is in scarcity. Even in the scarcity, how best the available infrastructure can be leveraged. People being in home isolation itself, how to treat them, how to reach out, how to give treatment, communicate, contact, how to segregate them, bucketing into various categories. All these things were effectively done. And if not for the Step One, probably we would have faced a lot of challenges. A lot of challenges, which would have definitely put the entire system into definitely a crisis. The crisis was averted by the Step One. So the Step One, working very closely with the doctors, they understood how doctors have done a difference. Doctors, from the time since the evolution of the humankind, they have been playing a very big role. And because of their service, today we have been seeing the quality of life being improved, the life expectancy has improved, and all possible good things were provided by this profession. And since the medical profession has been known as an noble profession, and the doctors, even before this COVID pandemic, the infection is there in our society. It's a society which we have been facing it for decades and centuries, the infectious disease. So these professionals were working from all these times, and continuously they have been exposed to many infections. And probably during the COVID only, this this problem was much more highlighted, the kind of risk the professional medical professionals have been working with a lot of challenges, risking their life. Many people have lost their lives during this pandemic. Even earlier, many people used to lose their life working, caring for the patients. But during COVID, their sacrifice was very well recognized, and the kind of commitment, and with the commitment they've been working and making a difference without any immunization, vaccination, they were completely exposed to the patient. They didn't, never even thought say, twice to work in this kind of challenging environment. They just volunteered. They've been doing their discharging their duty very sincerely. Probably on this Doctors' Day organized by the Step One, it is all of us a duty to appreciate their hard work, their commitment, their sincerity for the upliftment of the people's life and the protecting of the lives is really appreciated. And once again, in this direction, the state of Karnataka, the government of Karnataka, we have been doing a lot to manage and ensure the COVID management has been managed very effectively in collaboration with Step One. I've been working very closely with Step One from the day one. I was a person who worked as in a bridge between the government and the Step One. and facilitated the participation of the Step 1 in a very big way. Even now, the Step 1 has been working very closely to bring in a lot of reform changes and scaling up the operations. And the Step 1 services is really appreciable. And the group of people, 100 accomplished person coming together and working very sincerely, and it is 100% working on the voluntary basis. So this organization request wide recognition, and they have been inspiration for all of us how best we can work selflessly and coming out within the need of the hour is very important without even thinking twice. They were a big solution. So once again, on behalf of the people of Karnataka, I would like to thank the Step One for organizing the Doctors Day and as well as recognizing their good services. It is my duty. I wish them all the best in their endeavors. Let them keep doing much more good work and let them be the true inspiration for all of us to contribute for the best of the society. Thank you. Namaskar.